is a very quick installation and short review of this lock. It's a lock set, complete lock set. It's very important when you buy these smart locks to buy the gateway for it so you can connect to your Wi-Fi. The gateway is really simple. It's just a USB. You just power it up with the USB. Yeah. And then connect it to your Wi-Fi. Okay, so start off with removing the old lock and put the new one that came with it. And then the two screws. Don't over tighten. It's for the bottom. For the top one, make sure it says up. Okay, so the bottom part's a little unusual. First, put this in this, and then both of them in the lock. Then once you have both in the lock, you want to get your short screws and install this plate. Actually, like that, the long screws. Make sure it's not tight, and this springs back really easy. Okay, next you can put this guy in and use the short screws. Sorry, so the short screws on top and the long screws. So use the short screws here. And use the long screw on top. If it sticks like this, that means you're too tight. Okay. So bottom now is good. Okay, for the top, run the cable from the bottom. The stick have to be vertical. And then put in the lock. Right. Then grab that piece. Notice it says top. And then that should go like this. Cable at the bottom. Like that. Now we need the 2 screws. The 3 long screws. In here. Again, don't over tighten and make sure this turns easily. Okay, now that's on. Open this, put this guy in, plug it in. Like that. Tuck away the wire. Make sure it engages. And use the 3 small screws. One, 2. And 3. Okay, now we can put batteries on and get the programming. Okay, now open TT Lock app. Then here I'm gonna go check settings quickly. I'm gonna go to gateway. I'm gonna add a new gateway. We have G2. Then push plus. Now I'm gonna give it my Wi-Fi password. Gateway name. Next step, we need to add the lock. So go add lock, door lock, touch it.
Please add a Bluetooth administrator.
Click next, and then you'll see the lock here, push plus.
Adding administrator successful.
And put the name. And then we should be all set. And then my door is this. And now the door is up and running. So now to set the to program the lock, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna set a code. I'm gonna do custom code, permanent code. I'm gonna put my code. And that's how you change the code every time. So after this video, I could just delete this code. To test it out, I'm gonna put pound. And now 3255 pounds work. Okay. Here you could play, you could set up fingerprints, cards, etc. That's it.